Hi everyone, my name is Migaramithodana. I am the CEO and co-founder of MAGICBIT. We have an exciting news for everyone from our MAGICBIT community all throughout the world. During the past 2 months, we have been collecting feedback from all our users from different continents and countries, and we have used your feedback to improve MAGICBIT. The new features in the MAGICBIT Learning Kits we are introducing now are the new MAGICBIT OS with the improved firmware and the preloaded examples, so you can try out these examples just out of the box even without programming the device. And the second thing we are introducing is the newly updated guidebook, which directs you to different programming options and the features included in the MAGICBIT kit, and we are going in deep in using different MAGICBIT gadgets like the MAGICBot, our sensors and the MAGICBIT core and everything. And the third thing is we are introducing a new set of accessories with the MAGICBIT kit, so you can build more stuff and new exciting projects. And the fourth and the most important thing is we are now providing a subscription for our premium learning portal for everyone when you are purchasing a MAGICBIT Learning Kit. Through this premium learning portal, you will have the access to step-by-step lessons and courses with different activities to try out using the MAGICBIT kit and master your skills in coding, robotics, IoT and electronics. And we hope to incorporate the concepts of AI, drone technology and all the new exciting technologies out there in the world in the upcoming lessons. So stay tuned, and you can order your MAGICBIT kits now at www.magicbit.cc. Thank you.